I'm Wagner, and I've created a sculpture for the newly renovated Weld Hall. The name of the sculpture is After We Rose, We Soared, and it's based on the history of the school and the 3 stained glass windows that are featured in the auditorium of Weld Hall. And then I incorporated a dragon shape into the piece to reference the school mascot. One of the things that I really love about this piece is how that ombre, or that transition between the colors, happens. It's a little bit abstract. It's almost as if I treated this like a watercolor painting, where I was laying these brush strokes across this form to create this sense of motion and space. I create the glass at 2000 degrees, so it's something that is forged by fire, and how the story of the school and the story of the glass really come together as one. People come in and they see the sculpture. I'm hoping that the first thing they feel is a sense of place and beauty, that they remember Weld Hall as a unique and special place on campus, a facility that is both open to the public and also engaging the student body, where learning is exceptional and beauty is embraced.